Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We will discuss about most important email marketing myths. We go to the Google and search here most important email marketing myths. Click here and now it go to the one link email marketing myths. The 6 top email marketing myths you should not believe. Click here. The top 6 email marketing myths for you should not believe. I grew up believing that if I accidentally swallowed gum, I would not be able to digest it for 7 hours. Even to these days, I don't talk with gum in my mouth out of fear of swallowing it. It's turned out I was not the only one who believed this gym. Maths works against you and prevent you from doing things that could actually be great for you. Email marketing is dead. Google. Email marketing is dead and you will see how many results show up. Search on Google email marketing is dead and though all results on the first page take you articles claiming and email marketing is not dead. The amount of searching result phrase tell us the many marketers do believe that email marketing is one of the verge on extinction. Nothing could be further for the truth. According to the campaign monitor, email marketing is the king of the marketing kingdom with 3800% ROI and $38 for every $1 spent. Email marketing is the king of the marketing kingdom with these results. McKinsey support the data as well, stating that email is 40 times more effective is acquiring new customers. Email beats social by 40x for customers acquisitions. These pictures show 40x customer acquisitions. And number 2, email marketing automation is expensive and time consuming. Email automation may sound intimidating, but when done correctly, it can increase your sales. For Forster's research example explain that B2B marketing buyer to buyer marketers who used marketing automation increased sales pipeline contribution by 10% on average. Email marketing automation helps you properly segment your campaigns and deliver personalized message to right audience at the right time and do so automatically. And point number 3, unsubscribes are bad news. Marketers love the brag about the numbers of subscribers they have. This is probably why many brands showcase the number of the subscriber they have on their blogs and newsletters, sign up form and HubSpots and manually unsubscribes 25,000 people from their marketing blogs and starting sending favor emails. Number 4, subject lines should be short. Marketers are obsessed with length. A shorter email capture page is thought to bring more conversions. The same is true for a shorter capture form. But size is not the only thing that matters is CRO. Many marketers also believe that only short emails. Subject lines These subject lines length and average rate. This picture show the length and average read rate and all about of these emails. Personalization increase open the rates by 26%. Hello Sam 20%, 26%. And number 5, message match is not important for email post. Click landing pages. New features, social campaigning, and when you click at the text city is email, you are directed on this email post. Click landing page. Step number 3, there is one perfect day to send emails. Are you one of those marketers that schedules your emails so that they go out on a specific day of the week because you believe you will get more engagement? And there is conflicting search for each for which day of the week is optional for sending email. In this book, the scene marketing of Dean Zelbra believe the best days of email open rates and click rates. Click by days, open by days, average open and click rate by the day, average open rate by day, average open rate by day. Email 7 days a week. Very few emails are sent during weekends. Monday 16%, Tuesday 17%, and Wednesday 16%, Thursday 17%, Friday 14%, and Saturday 8%, and Sunday 8%. And the Thursday is the best day for the sending email, 17.93%. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.